Hi, I'm Gerard O'Connor and I'd like to describe two new diplomas which we have on offer in 2025. The first is the Level 8 Diploma in Digitally Enabled Connected Medical Devices. This diploma is motivated by two key trends. The first motivation is the expansion of the healthcare capacity by the transformation of healthcare from the hospital to the home. This will require devices that are connected in to our clinics via the internet. The second motivation is the increasing use of real-time data in optimizing clinical-based procedures or surgery. The consequence of both of these developments is that the industry is challenged to combine the medical functionality of its products with the new electronic functionality. This is the learning challenge that we seek to address in this diploma on connected medical devices. We do this by helping participants answer 4 questions. The first question is, what combinations of materials and products can deliver this medical and communication challenge? The second question is, how do we go about designing new devices which can realize this dual functionality given the many constraints that will be encountered? The third question is, how do we responsibly address the regulatory challenges that must be satisfied to realize new products in this space? And finally, our fourth question is, how can we learn to scale our ideas using the history of science, technology and innovation? The new diploma is called Digitally Enabled Connected Medical Devices. It's available at Level 8 or at Level 9 through the PG Cert in Key Enabling Technologies. Thank you. The second diploma I wish to describe is the Level 8 Diploma in the Digitalisation of Manufacturing Processes. This diploma is motivated by the twin transition towards an increasingly sustainable and data-enabled productive and manufacturing economy. The consequence of both of these developments is that the manufacturing processes that we use in industry have to evolve. This diploma enables participants to develop skills for this challenge. We do this by answering 3 questions in this diploma. The first question is centered on materials. How do the manufacturing processes impact the functionality, properties and structures of materials is the first question. The second question is centered on manufacturing technologies. What modern manufacturing methods are available for use in generating products responsibly? The third question is centered on enabling technologies. What new enabling technologies can be considered to structure, shape and functionalize materials to enable these more complicated devices for the future? The digitalisation theme is all about data, using data to make individual parts when they're needed. Also harvesting data during manufacturing to optimise processes. The new diploma is called Digitalisation of Manufacturing Processes. It's available at Level 8 or Level 9 as a PG Cert in Key Enabling Technologies. Thank you very much for your attention.